Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. We're going to have a little look around. I can see, I think I can see a lift and a cherry picker up, so I'm going to have a look at them first and then I'll get over the ground and have a look what's going on pitch removal wise. So let's go down this way first. Let's go. I'll go a bit lower. I was going to start over the ground, but I thought I'll leave it for now. It sounds quiet on site, but I suppose bricklaying's not a noisy job, is it? And whatever he's doing is probably not a noisy job. Sorting the windows out. I can actually hear that banging then. Don't know exactly what they're doing. I'd say putting the beading in, but you'd have the glass in first, wouldn't you, before you put the beading in? There's nothing to suggest anything on the lift. What's that? What's this? Oh, that's a wobbly lift, isn't it? It's good how it extends as well. See where the black and yellow lines are? That's extended out there, and the same can happen this side here. It can extend quite far, to be fair. Right, I don't know what they're doing. Anyone's got any ideas, let me know. Forever stones while I'm here. Some more's been added. Okay. Yeah, and this tarmac, no one seems to know what's going on. I don't think it's been taken up, I think it was just covered in dirt. Any tarmacers know what's going on there? Let's have a look around the Shankly gates while I'm here. No, not a lot going on there. I think he's by that box thing. That. No, it does look like bead they're putting in. Okay. Maybe you put the bead in just so you don't lose it, and when the glass comes, take the bead out, put the glass in, then rebead it. Okay. Let's have a look around this side, because I saw a cherry picker sticking inside the grounds. Watching me thrown in the air as well as on the screen. What's going on here? Should have went there first, shouldn't I? He's coming down now. Oh well, never mind. Yeah, I'll have a look over the pitch now. Pitch wise, I've had a chat to my man inside the grounds, and he thinks, well, he knows that not much has gone on. That the pitch is getting laid on the 12th of this month, so it'll be a week tomorrow. They have done quite a bit, to be fair. Just takes longer than I thought it was. And close up, how good does that grass look there? doesn't need replacing at all. Oh, you missed. You're making more work for yourselves. Yeah, there we go. But I like the way to do it. Good, isn't it, the way to do it? People saying that they found this therapeutic yesterday. I did myself, I think that's why I spent so long watching it. Let's see him back out. That must be not a replacement, but when that first one's full. Hold on a second. So when this first one's full, to save time, you probably get the other one to just jump in its place and then you can crack on. That'll empty off. Wait for the other one to get full and then repeat. What's that about to fall off the back there? I don't know all that soil. Someone said, why don't you just fill up jars of soil and sell the soil? People will buy it, so it's a good point. £5 a jar, you'd make a fortune. I'd be able to retire off that. I'm going to have a look in this corner. Because it's a very, very most talked about part of the ground at the moment. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's a cherry picker inside anyway. Okay, so what's he doing? It's a bit dull on my screen. I don't know if it's dull. No, it's not. Okay, so he's working on there. Now, so we must know that that now will be sorting out the front of this. So I think there we have our answer, guys. There's a cherry picker there in the corner, and that'll be sorting all that out. Now this cladding here, I never see anyone working on it, and it's a bit like a tortoise, isn't it? You know, you look at a tortoise and it doesn't seem to move anywhere. You take your eyes off it and it's like it's halfway across the garden without you even realising it. It's the same with just cladding. You don't see anyone working on it, but it just seems to be moving along. Right. As someone else also pointed out yesterday, guys, this is the last full month now of the build. So I am going to do as much as I can to get as much as I can out of this build now. I know Mr. Drones dropped his down to about 3 times a week. I'm not sure what the other lads are doing. I know Craig's got some charity stuff that he's been doing. Paul Frost has been away, he's back now, but I'm not sure if they're going to do dailies or not. I'm going to carry them on for now to see if I can see any changes. This is what I was going to talk about yesterday, but I've left it about the constructive criticism. It wasn't so much about me being here every day, it's about my thumbnails and my titles. They're a bit clickbaity. They're not. They're really not. Everything that's in my thumbnails is in the video. Everything that's in the title is in the video. So my titles and my thumbnails, if there's writing on it, it'll be either something I've said or something I've seen in the video. Okay. the contentious part was when I said the pitch is wrecked in one of my thumbnails. And this got a lot of attention, to be fair. That's why I've wanted to address it. I'm thinking, shall I or shouldn't I? You know what, I'll address it. So someone said that, why am I surprised that the pitch is wrecked? I wasn't surprised. I'd have been really surprised if it was in good nick. So that would have been like a clickbait video if it had said the pitch is wrecked and then you go and watch it and the pitch isn't wrecked. There's a picture of the pitch being wrecked. So someone said there was clicks for drama. That's why the club doesn't want anything to do with us. I'm not trying to cause drama either. I'm just showing what people can't see. If it wasn't like for the likes of us, no one would be able to see that the pitch is wrecked, because Liverpool don't show anything. So it's just with the drones that, you know, get the drones up and have a look what's going on, and we just report what we see. Well, I report what I see. If the pitch is wrecked, then I'll report on the pitch being wrecked. If it's in good nick, which some of it was in good nick, you know, it was looking quite green, I'll say it's in good nick, you know. I've never been negative on this either, on this build. The only things I have said is what I've been told about it maybe being delayed. And that's only a message that's being passed on, so I pass it on in the video. Because people say, because it's 50-50 in the comments section. People say it's on time, people say it's not on time. So it's a big talking point, and if I think it's worth mentioning when someone says it might be delayed, then I'll mention it. I also mentioned the other guy when he said it's on track. So that's information that I pass out, and you make with that what you will. I'd never clickbait on my videos, never. It's not my style. Anything that's in my thumbnail or my title is in the video. Right, I'm going to finish it here, guys, because it's quiet. Well, quite a lot going on the pitch. So I'll leave there. I've tried not to dwell on that too much. I stay positive. People that know me know what I'm like. People that have met me while I've been doing this know that I'm genuine. Okay, right, guys, I'll leave it there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm about 98 off my 12,000. So yeah, if you like the videos, please subscribe. If you think you subscribed, just check, because people said that they've been unsubscribed for some reason. And likes help me get a reach out there, so else other people see my videos if you like my video, and comments are always appreciated, because I like reading them and I like answering them. Okay, whether it's constructive criticism or not, I welcome that, I really do. The reason why I mentioned it, because someone said it, 50 people, over 50 people liked it, so it must be a thing that people have agreed with, so I thought I'd address it. Okay, right, I'll leave it there, guys. As always, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.